Hi students, welcome to today's lecture. In our last lecture, we discussed about the statement of Biot-Savart's law. Biot-Savart's. Here, so that explanation is here. Biot-Savart's law. Biot-Savart's law. Here, what happens? See, I'm going to consider wire, right? So, in this wire, the current is flowing in this direction. Current is flowing in this direction, right? So, see, here, I'm going to take a small element of this is current I, right? So, I'm going to take a small element dl length. Small element dl length, right? So from this current there is a point P. There is a point P. That point P is having the distance from here R. What? Right? Getting my point? The next consider right? Current wire right? So current wire ಏನು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗೈತೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗೈತೆ I. So you capital I ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Capital I ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, right? And I'm going to take a small element of dl length of this current wire. One small length, light ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆಂತ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ dl length ಐತಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಆ dl length ಈ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ intensity it creates, right? So magnetic field intensity it creates from the distance r from this, right? And it is an angle also created on these two. Illonde ಏನಾಗೈತಿ angle create ಆಗೈತಿ. Clear, right? So then here what happens? See, here the magnetic field intensity, the magnetic field intensity of dl length is dB, right? So this dB is what? Magnetic field intensity, right? So from this there is a law, is Biot-Savart's law. Here according to Biot-Savart's law, so dB is small, dB is, right? This is small, dB is directly proportional to right current, right, I. Second one, dB is once again directly proportional to the small current element dl, small current element dl, right? So here once again dB is directly proportional to the angle between current and small current element dl, current and length, current length, right? dl like that, directly proportional, the angle between current and length, right? So fourth one, inversely proportional to the square of distance, right, of point P from dl, right, from dl. See, here I'm going to write dB is directly proportional to I, right? dB is directly proportional to dl. dB is directly proportional to dl, right? So dB is once again directly proportional to the angle between I and dl sin theta, inversely proportional to the square of distance of point P from dl. P from what? dl. So now this is I dl sin theta divided by r square, right? Now I am going to remove this what? Proportionality. dB is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi. Mu naught divided by 4 pi what? I dl sin theta I dl sin theta divided by r square, right? Here this is the Biot-Savart's law, right? Very important, Biot-Savart's law, right? If I want to write in vector form, right? Vector form. See here, mu naught is permittivity of free space. Mu naught is permittivity of free space, and its value is 4 into 10 raised to minus Tesla per meter. 4 into 10 raised to minus Tesla meter per ampere. So this is the SI unit. This is the what? SI unit. What the heck? Tesla meter per ampere. Right? Here, the value of mu naught by 4 pi is This is not 4. This is 4 pi. This is 4 pi. Right. So the value of mu naught is here 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. Tesla meter per ampere. Sir, you ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Sir, ಏನು ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಅದು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಏನಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ? So total ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ತಗೋರಿ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋರಿ. ಏನೈತಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mu naught divided by 4 pi. Right? Mu naught divided by 4 pi. That is equal to what? 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So then here I am going to take only mu naught here 4 pi ikkada tartini into 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. Tesla meter per ampere. Clear my point? Mu naught divided by 4 pi is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾವು 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋತೀವಿ? ಇದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದರ ಒಂದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Right? ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ this becomes here it is. Right? After this one here. So dB is equal to once again here see dB is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi IDL sin theta divided by r square into r cap into what? R cap. Right? So then it becomes once again dB is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi IDL sin theta divided by r square r dot r cross r see here dB is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi I dl cross r divided by r dl cross r divided by r. Why? Because here there is a cross product I dl sin theta. So that's why it becomes dl cross r. Sin 90 is equal to 1. So that's why it becomes dl cross r. So then it becomes what? R cube. Why? Because R cube means here 1 get cancelled again. This one get cancelled again. We have to in vector form only what it becomes? R cube becomes. In vector form when we are going to write, so then only it becomes what? R cube. Otherwise in our normal form what it becomes? Mu naught divided by 4 pi IDL sin theta divided by r square. IDL sin theta divided by r square. Right? Keep in mind. Don't get confused. So this is our Biot-Savart law. Right? So after this one, very important topic that is asked in March 2019 mains, that is asked. So the expression is magnetic field right on the axis of circular current loop. Circular current loop. Magnetic circular current loop. Right? See, here what happens? I am going to consider here, this is center O. I am going to consider in this current. The current is flowing on I. Current is flowing on I. Here, from here to here, from here to here, the radius is R. The radius is R. Alright. The radius is R. Current is flowing in this direction. The current is flowing in this direction. Right? See here, from O to a point P, from O to a point P at the distance x. At the distance x, I am going to take P at point is axis line. So in this point, at a B point, I am going to consider, or I am going to find out the magnetic field intensity. The magnetic field on the axis of this current loop, of current circular loop. Right? Very important. Here, I am going to consider a small element of current. A small element of current dl. Small element of current dl. That current is having the distance from P. That current is having the distance from this P. Why? Because here from this current element dl, for what happens here, this current only we are going to find out the magnetic field intensity. The magnetic field intensity here, the angle becomes how much degree? 90 degree, and this distance is R distance. This distance is what? R distance. Here, this is very important, right? In this point, we are going to find out the magnetic field. In this point, we are going to find out the magnetic field, right? Here, if this point means, see here, this is right, x-axis. So this is what? Y-axis. Right. Point P means here there is what? dB is there. So dB is creating here an angle theta. So here in this case what happens? dB cos theta. Here dB what? Sin theta. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dB ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ dB is resolved into two components with x and y. So when dB is resolved into two components means dB becomes in x axis dB cos theta, dB becomes in y axis dB sin theta. Right. See, sir, but you but there is no necessary. Right. So here we know consider, I'm going to write here, consider this is Q point. At the Q point we consider a current element dl, right? So here consider a current located at a distance, located at a distance, how much distance? R distance from P point, from P point, P point with the R distance over the IP, right? The magnitude of magnetic field, here I am going to write it, the magnitude of magnetic field at point P, right? Due to current element, is given by Biot-Savart's law, right? So then, can I write here the magnitude of Biot-Savart's law? What? Mu naught divided by 4 pi I dl sin theta divided by r square. Divided by r square. We know the formula. Right? So then, what happens here? So we know our that is vector form also. I'm going to write here what dB is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi what I dl cross r divided by what r cube. We know this one also. Right? So then here I am going to write dB is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi I dl, right, divided by r square, I dl divided by r square, or otherwise this only written like this. So here, see, theta is equal to 90 degree. Here, there is also theta is here, right? So then, r square is equal to, can I take, see, POQ triangle, what is our, from our Pythagoras theorem, what it becomes? See, opposite side, r square is equal to r square plus x square, r square plus x square is equal to r square plus x square. So now see, once again sin theta, so then dB is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi, right, I dl. What is sin theta? So theta is equal to 90, sin 90 is equal to 1, right? So then r square, what is r square plus x square, very well, r square plus x square. So call equation number 1. This is only equation number 1. So next, now you know the direction of dB So dB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು x axis ಗೆ ಒಂದು y axis with the angle of theta. ಏನು ಬೇರೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, right? So see here also there is dB cos theta. but that is minus. Here also dB sin theta, that is also minus. Right? So see here this direction dB is going to be added up. This direction cos theta is going to be added up. Right? Fine. Suppose see, here I am going to consider like this or right? ಈಗ dB ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ dB dash right. So dB dash ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು dB cos theta right. ಇದು dB sin theta, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು dB sin theta right minus ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dB dash cos theta dB dash cos theta. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ equivalent opposite cancel. So that's why ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ x axis ದಾಗ ಏನು dB ಬರಾದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ vertical ದಾಗ ಏನು sin theta ಬಂದಿದೆ equivalent opposite, so they are what vanish right like this. So here after this one I'm going to write here the direction of dB is perpendicular to the plane containing the direction of dB is perpendicular to the plane containing DL and R. Well, right. So here the magnetic field dB has dB has resolved into two components. Right. Here dBx is equal to dB cos theta and dBy is equal to dB by cos theta. Right. So here y-axis dB is vanished. Right. After that I am going to write x-axis dB is x-axis dB is what? Right, got it. So then here therefore the resultant magnetic field at P due to one turn of the coil, so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ one turn right, one turn of the coil. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ x axis ಅಂತ resultant magnetic field at point P, after the what one turn of the coil, one turn ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ right. So here what summation of dB is equal to so summation of dB dB cos theta. So or summation of dBx we also take. Nam kade adne add one term, just one term. Here once again summation of dBx, summation of dB into dB ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ equation number 1 right ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos theta ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕ್ರಿ? cos theta ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So cos theta ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು right. So here I am going to write direct there only. Our equation number 1 I am going to write here. V is equal to what? Mu naught divided by 4 pi I dl r square plus x square. R square plus x square. So that is our equation number 1, right? So but here cos theta is equal to so cos theta is equal to what ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ r divided by this r is equal to r square plus x square, so r divided by r square plus x square, so then summation of dB is equal to summation of what is our value of dB? Mu naught divided by 4 pi I dl divided by r square plus x square, right? So then what is our cos theta? So cos theta is equal to r divided by r square plus x square, so if the calculation becomes, what happens? See, once here this one is under square root, this one is under square root, this one is under square root. Why? Because here r square is there. If I remove this square means right. Here summation of dB is equal to mu naught, right, divided by 4 pi. So then I divided by r square plus x square, See, here this point the small element dl is there. So many points of like dl are there. So many points. So that's why I am going to take here summation of dl, right? So then after that I am going to write r square plus x square raised to r square plus x square raised to what? 1 by 2 r square plus x square raised to 1 by 2. Remove ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ remove ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, right? So next here once again summation of dB is equal to what? Mu naught divided by 4 pi, summation to next r I into r, right, divided ಇದನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ a raised to m plus a raised to n. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ r square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. R square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. Once again, summation of dl. Summation of dl. Very important. Right. Summation of dl. So now see here, if summation of dv is equal to mu naught divided by 4 by I r, so r square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. R square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. See here, which type of loop it is? Circular loop. Circular loop. From here to here. From here to here. So many small dl lengths are there. If we are going to consider this complete circular current loop, so then it becomes what? Our 2 pi r it becomes. 2 pi r it becomes. Very important. 2 pi r it becomes. So which type of radius it is? Capital R. So then I am going to take here capital R. Capital R. Right? So then this pi got cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Right? So then here after this one, what happens it is mu naught divided by 2. Mu naught divided by 2. I r square r square. Right? So whole divided by r square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. Raised to 3 by 2. So this is our what equation? This is our equation. Final, if we wrote the final equation, that it becomes C. Here the summation of dv means it becomes d, right? Mu naught divided by 2 r square plus x square raised to 3 by 2, right? So then what? I r square. I r square. It becomes I r square. Right.